Question number 28. A vectors question. Part A, find the vector PB in terms of the vectors A and the vector B. The vector PB is the one that goes from here to here. In order to get from here to here using vectors that are known, we have to go down this line and then along this line here. The vectors that were given on the line AP travel in this direction. We want to travel in this direction, so if it's B takes you from here to here, then minus B will take you backwards, and if 2B takes you from A to N, then minus 2B will take you the other way. So to get from point P to point A, we travel along the vector minus 3B. To get from A to B, we travel along the vector A. So there is your vector in terms of A and B. You can write them the other way around as well. Make it a bit neater. Finally, B is the midpoint of the line AC. That's halfway along there, which means that that must also be vector A. M is the midpoint of PB. This point is halfway along that line. If the vector from here to here is A minus 3B, then the vector from here to here is half A minus 3B, and the vector from here to here is half A minus 3B. We have to show that the line NMC is a straight line. The line NMC is the line going through all of these points. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to find a vector that goes from N to M. We'll find the vector that goes from M to C, and we'll have a look at those, and they should be vectors pointing in the same direction. So to get from N to M, using vectors that we know, we travel along B, and then along half of the vector we found in the first part of the question. If we multiply out the brackets, we get B plus half A minus 3 over 2B. If we collect together the B and the minus 3 over 2B, that gives us half A minus half B, and we could factorize, take the half outside and the vectors inside. There we go. We'll do exactly the same thing. Write a vector from M to C in terms of the vectors that we know. So from M to B is a half A minus 3B, and from B to C is A, so add those two together. We get half A minus 3B plus A. Same steps, extend the brackets and simplify the half A minus 3 over 2B plus A, or half A plus A is 1.5A, or 3 over 2A, and then we've got the minus 3 over 2B, which again we can factorize, take out the common factor of 3 over 2. Okay, now this is your vector which takes you from the point N to the point M, and this is the vector taking you from the point M to the point C. This number relates to how long the vector is, so you can clearly see that this one is longer than this one, which you would expect from the diagram. This part tells you that the two vectors are pointing in the same direction, and as they're pointing in the same direction, therefore we must have a straight line through N, M and C.